In 6 months, you could go from zero 3D experience to your own animated character on screen. Not theory, not just watching tutorials, an actual, complete production pipeline, the same one real studios use. Introducing the certificate in 3D animation, EIMT. 6 months, 8 modules, fully online, built for working professionals. You'll work in Maya, ZBrush, Substance 3D, Painter, Unreal Engine, and Cascadeur, the AI tool studios use to animate faster. One character, modeled, textured, rigged, animated, lit, and rendered entirely by you, start to finish. No animation background needed. Any degree, any diploma, just bring the will to create. Faculty who've worked on real productions give you the same feedback a studio supervisor would. You walk away with a rendered shot, a professional showreel, and a portfolio ready to show employers. Step into roles across animation, gaming, VFX, and digital media. 6 months from now, you could be holding your first real showreel. Apply to EIMT today.